Today we're looking at how to add extra line spacing in your output text. So at the moment, obviously each line for each round is directly above the other, but if you prefer to have a little bit of extra space, it's very easy to set this up. You will need a user text template, and I've linked to a video in the description box below that shows you how to set one up. So I'm going to come into Tools, or if you're using Stitch Mastery on a Mac, you'll want to come onto the Stitch Mastery menu and choose the Preferences. And make sure the drop down menu is open here next to the Stitch Mastery option. Choose Style Sheets, and I'm going to open my text template and edit or view. So you want to come into the row format. As you can see, there are lots of different options here for things that you can have control over, but for this particular issue we come to row format tab and choose the row or round format option. We're going to click edit to edit it. And what you want to do is come into the editing text box, use your cursor or arrow keys to get right along to the end, then press return or enter just the once so that you can see your cursor is now in the line below. Leave that line blank, click OK, and I'm going to click apply and close, and we'll click apply and close again. Now this chart hasn't automatically updated because I don't think we're actually using the text template at the moment. I think I'm using the default text template, so I'm going to come to Diagram, Edit Diagram Properties, choose the Stitch Library and Text Templates tab. We are using the Hannah text templates. Let's refresh the text in Key, click OK, and you'll see that now output text now automatically spaces out.